right, guys, so I want to show you how to take your Skittles lab data and turn it into some cool stuff using Google Sheets. Our end goal is going to be to create a pie chart to show the percentages of the different colors of Skittles that you had in your bag. So you're going to start by just going to a new tab, and in the search bar thing up there, put sheets.new. If you put sheet.new or sheets.new, I don't really know what I just put there, you will just get a new spreadsheet. That's what we want. I'm going to make my face a little bit smaller. So the first thing we want to do is basically build the table that we had, that you had, the data table from your notebook. We want to build that here. So we want to include the color column, and then we're just going to also put the frequency column. We can leave the percentages column out because Sheets will kind of actually automatically do that for us. So the colors we had were red, orange, capitalize them because it'll look nicer, yellow, green, and purple. And we can also leave off the total one. Okay, so we just want the colors. Okay. All right, so we've got our color column there, and then our frequency. Make up some numbers here. 2, 3. Let's add 1. Let's see, that's a total of 6. I'll give myself 4 of these and 4 of these. Sure, looks good. All right, and I'm going to change it to 3. Okay, so we've got our color and frequency. That's pretty much all the data we need. And we're going to go ahead and make a pie chart with that. So hopefully you guys know what a pie chart is. That's one of the easy ones. It literally looks like a pie cut into pieces. So our pie will have pieces cut for red, orange, yellow, green, and purple. All right, so how do we make a pie chart from this data table here? All you're going to do is highlight the data that you want. Okay, so make sure just those cells are highlighted. And then we're going to go to this little icon right here where it says Insert Chart. Click on that. It says it's working. It's looking at the data and figuring out what possible chart types would make sense. So, by the way, this is a bar chart that is probably looks like the one you have in your notebook if you got your bar graph done correctly. And notice that, look, a lot of you guys forgot to do a title for your chart, and a lot of you guys didn't put labels on your axes. That was what I was looking for. This is a properly set up chart. Pretty cool that Google Sheets does like everything automatically for you, right? And so I just want to point out that these labels are important. Okay, so it gives us a bar chart, but like I said, we want a pie chart. So if you come over here to the chart editor, you can see right now that our chart type selected is column chart. That's what it just automatically gave us. We can go and we can select a pie chart. So now, look at that. We got a pie chart. Now, I want to kind of adjust my title here so that it's a little bit more clear. So let's say frequency of Skittle colors. Hold on just a second.
Huh?
Hold on. Miss Kroll interrupted my video, guys.
What up?
Okay, sorry about that. So we got the appropriate title on our graph. By the way, if you ever click off your graph like I just did and you weren't done making changes, if you just click on the graph and then click on the little 3 dots in the top corner there and then go to Edit Chart, it'll bring up your chart editor box again. So that's how we get the chart. If you want to take some time to make it pretty, I'm pretty sure, yep, you can go and adjust. I'm gonna move my face over here now. You can adjust the colors. So obviously this one says red, but the slice is blue. Well, you can go and you can select whatever color you want. But then, obviously the orange chunk. So go around, mess with that. Once you are done, once you get your pie chart looking good, what I want you to do is give your spreadsheet a name. An appropriate name would be something like Skittle Pie Chart, something like that. Okay. And then you're going to submit this in Canvas. Hopefully you've submitted things. Hopefully you've submitted Google Sheets, Google Docs, whatever in Canvas before, just go to the Canvas assignment. It's an upload, so you'll just go into your Google Drive, select it, upload it there so that I can see it. All right. So there you go. That's how you make a chart in Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a super awesome tool. We might be using it a decent amount in class. I would love to, because it's so useful. I would love for you guys to get really familiar with it. So there you go. Good luck.